All right, so today we are going to teach you how to log into the Concordia University, Wisconsin's computer science virtual machine server, where you can either create a new virtual machine, launch an existing virtual machine, clone an existing virtual machine, that kind of stuff. And we'll have some separate videos for each of those skill sets. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a web browser. Now, I will say that right now we're giving off a credential that isn't necessarily trusted. So, well, first of all, you'll have to join the CUWCS Wi-Fi, and there's another video you can follow that teaches you how to do that. So do that first. Once you have that, open up a web browser, and we're going to browse to 192.168.221.250. I'm using Safari on the Mac here. If you use Chrome or Firefox, you're going to have to do some settings that, say you trust this site and things like that. I have found that to be somewhat difficult in Chrome. So if you're on a PC, maybe try Firefox, something like that. But one way or another, gain access to this site so that you see it like this. You'll have to trust an invalid certificate. When you're ready to log in, you go to the login thing here, and you're going to log in with the student@vm.cuwcs. This account would be given to you if you're supposed to be accessing this server. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to this account. Okay, and we are now on the main page of this guide. I see this thing called Data Center over here on the left. You might currently see it like this. And so if you go under Data Center and you go to Discovered Virtual Machine, currently I have nothing in there. What we're going to do in this video is we are going to well, actually, in this video, I'm going to stop right now because I've shown you how to access the server. We'll have some new videos that will show you to do some additional things.